Listen to the dialogues. Decide whether the following statements are true or false. Dialogue 1 is for statements number 1 through 3.
What's wrong with me? I have a terrible headache.
You'd better lay down. Have you taken any aspirin?
Yes, I took 1 hour ago, but the pain hasn't gone.
You should see a doctor.
Dialogue 2 is for statements number 4 through 6.
May I help you?
I'm looking for a pair of exercise shorts.
Do you need any particular color?
I like navy blue.
I'm afraid we only have dark blue. Would you like to have a look? Shall I get them for you?
Yes, medium size, please.
Dialogue 3 is for statements number 7 through 10.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course, ma'am. What can I do for you?
Someone just stole my purse off my shoulder outside the hotel.
Are you okay?
Yes, just shaken up a bit.
Why don't you sit down here and I'll call the police for you?
Thank you, I appreciate your help.